Hello, Primary 4. How are you today? This is our time of science session. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Today, I'm going to talk about energy's main properties. And now, I want to ask you one question. Can you see forms of energy? Like what? Like sound energy? Can you see sound energy now? No, very good. And can you see heat energy? Very good. You can feel heat energy, but you cannot see heat energy. And sound energy, we can hear sound energy, but we cannot see sound energy. Very good. So, most forms of energy cannot be seen, like heat and sound energy. And now we have another property. Energy can be stored and changed from one form to another form. What is the meaning of that? Like in roller coaster. Do you remember roller coaster game? In this game, we have one form of energy or two types of energies. Excellent. We have two forms of energies, which are excellent potential energy and super and kinetic energy. And what happened in this roller coaster game? Firstly, the train will go up, and during that, the train is storing the energy inside it. And this stored energy is called, very good, potential energy. And on the top of the train, the maximum energy will be what? Potential or kinetic? What do you think? Super, excellent. Potential energy. And after that, this potential energy will convert to, or change from potential energy to super, to kinetic energy or motion energy as the train will go down. So, energy can be changed from one form to another form, like from potential energy to kinetic energy, like in roller coaster game. Very good. And now, last one. The work done by energy can be seen and measured. Like what? The work done by light energy can be seen. You can see light energy. And measured like what? Like the work done by motion or kinetic energy for our car, for this car. We can measure the speed of this car and know its speed. So we can measure the work done by the kinetic energy or motion energy of this car. Very good. So the work done by energy can be seen and very good and measured. And now kinetic and potential energy. Dropping a book. What's happened now? Number one, the work done when you raise the book up. There is work or no work when you raise the book up? Very good. There is work. And this work done when you raise this book up causes storing of potential energy inside this book. So when you raise the book up, there is potential energy in the book. Very good. So the book is ready to fall now. And step number 2, when you leave this book to fall, what will happen? The potential energy, excellent, changes into kinetic energy during falling down. So, step number 1, the work is stored inside the book or in the book as potential energy. And number 2, when you leave this book to fall down, what will happen? The potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Very good. And now we have potential energy when you are holding the pole. There is potential or kinetic energy. Excellent. No motion, so potential energy. The potential energy is the stored energy in an object or the energy of position due to the work done on it. There is work on the ball now in your hands, so there is stored energy in object or potential energy when you are holding a ball. But after that, when you throw this ball down, what will happen? We can get kinetic or motion energy. And the kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to what or during what? During motion. Very good. So firstly, potential energy, and when you throw this ball down, you can get kinetic energy. And now, what can be expected to happen to the acrobats in circus, which are shown in the following photo? What will happen? Let's know. Firstly, the first acrobat stores potential energy as it moves upwards. The first one or the first acrobat, this man in circus, is called acrobat. Stores what inside his body before jumping? Stores potential energy. Very good. And when he jumps, what happened? When the first acrobat jumps, his potential energy is changed into or converted into, he is jumping now, converted into kinetic, superkinetic energy. And the produced kinetic energy, what will happen when this man goes down? Very good. The produced kinetic energy is will be transferred to the another one or the another acrobat at the bottom of the tower. So, and then this kinetic energy will push the another one or another acrobat up into the air, So the kinetic energy from the first acrobat will be transferred to the second acrobat, which is standing down. So the energy that propelled or pushed the second acrobat upwards converted gradually to potential energy. When the second acrobat jumped up and he has kinetic energy, gradually when he is falling down, this kinetic energy will convert into or change into potential energy again. So when the acrobat is jumping, he has very good kinetic energy, and when he stops or on the ground, he has potential energy. When he stops, he has potential energy, but when he is moving, he has kinetic energy. And now, do you know that the higher the body above the Earth's surface, the greater potential energy stored inside it? Yeah. When you climb up, you have kinetic or potential. When you are climbing or jumping, you have very good kinetic energy. And when you stop, you have potential energy. Super. And when you climb for very big height, you will have small or very great or very big potential energy if you climb for very high or very big height. Super, you will have the greater potential energy. So when an object stores potential energy, this means that this object is ready to do work. And now, when object or this body stores potential energy, this means that this object ready to do work, like ready to jump or ready to do any work, as he has potential energy inside his body. So when the height increases, the potential energy increases. Excellent. And now, this is the end of our session. Did you like it? Very good. Thank you, my lovely students. See you soon. Bye-bye.